Good morning, everybody. Today is the day of the severe weather event for my area today. Um, if you can see here in eastern North Carolina, we are under a enhanced risk for severe weather today. Enhanced risk. The storm will get worse this afternoon, and our tornado risk today is a possible risk, a level 5 risk. So we still have our tornado risk. I say the greatest threat is for wind. We have, look at this, a level 30 risk for damaging winds today for my area. And the hail threat has decreased a whole lot. So our main threat for today is severe weather, tornadoes, wind. Severe weather, tornadoes, wind. Severe weather, tornadoes, and wind. Here's the forecast for my area today. We are expecting winds to be up to 29 miles per hour. That's windy, 68 degrees, but it says windy with strong thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Storms contain strong damaging winds, but what do you got damaging winds with the cold front? 20, 25 to 35, 29 miles. Whew. It's going to get rough here, folks. Here's that storm here. Let's go to the watch and warning map. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, we are now under a tornado watch here in eastern North Carolina, and severe thunderstorms are heading straight for our area right now. So y'all, let's do this. Here we are, everybody. We're outside in the big storm. The winds are starting right now. It is now windy outside, so it has already went to 14 miles per hour, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're in 20 miles per hour now. The thunderstorm will come this afternoon with damaging winds. And yeah, y'all, this is going to be a crazy event today. This is going to be insane. Those same old trees.